In the last 45 days, I have taken a brand new faceless YouTube channel to $5,000 using only AI. And I promise, if you follow the 3-step strategy I share with you today, then there is no question in my mind that you will have similar results and profits in the same amount of time. And it starts with step number 1, choosing a profitable niche. For my channel, I decided to choose the most profitable niche on YouTube, the Make Money with AI niche. AI has been trending all throughout 2023 on YouTube, which has led to hundreds of channels exploding. This gave me the confidence that there was room for new channels to break through too. With my niche set, it was then time for step number 2, channel branding. For this, I used ChatGPT to come up with the channel name, and I used Canva templates to design the logo and banner. I then created the channel on YouTube, uploaded the channel branding, and just like that, I was all set to move on to step number 3, creating videos for the channel. In this step, I will divide the creation process into 5 separate parts: the viral idea, the script, the voiceover, the video, and the viral effects. First up, I had to come up with a viral video idea, and to do this, I sat down and came up with 50 video title ideas in my niche. I then analyzed the titles and chose the one I felt had a real shot at going viral. With a title selected, it was then time for the next part, the script. For this, I used an AI tool called DubDub. This AI tool was my secret weapon to going viral. If you've ever tried generating a script using ChatGPT, then you'll know that the results are not very good. However, with DubDub, you can generate scripts that genuinely go viral, as you will see later on in this video when I show you the analytics for the channel. Suppose I wanted to generate a script for a video titled "How to Start a Faceless YouTube Channel Using AI." I would click on the Ask AI to Write button, choose the Video Script option, and then input the title of my video. Give the AI a few seconds to do the magic, and just like that, DubDub generates a super professional video script in a matter of seconds. You can then edit any parts of the script you desire. For example, you can make sections longer, make sections shorter, change the tone of sections, or even simplify parts of the language. These edits allow me to make scripts that sounded as human as possible, which in turn gave me everything I needed to go viral. Next came the voiceover. What's great is that once again I used the same AI tool, DubDub. I searched through the hundreds of AI voiceovers available. All of them are ultra realistic and are perfect for faceless YouTube channels. Once I chose a voiceover I was happy with, I played around with features such as changing the rhythm of certain parts of the script, adding emphasis on certain words, and even adding pauses where I felt was necessary.
Here is a demo of how one of the AI voices sound. This is the same voice that is used in the AI Apocalypse channel and the AI Century channel, both of which have gone viral.
Next up came the video. And for this, I used an AI tool called Pictory. Once signed up, I clicked on the Script to Video tool, pasted the script DubDub had previously created for us right in, and waited for the AI to generate all the visuals for my faceless video. Once the videos were generated, I removed the captions, removed the music, and started choosing which visuals I felt looked best for my video. This was by far the most fun part, as Pictory has some of the most amazing looking visuals that can really make a video go viral. Once my visuals were set, I then added transitions and uploaded the voiceover I previously created using DubDub, and just like that, I was all set to move on to the final step, the viral effects. Now, this is the step that I felt made all the difference. This is the step that took the AI-generated video and turned it into a viral video. For this step, I applied 2 different viral effects. The first effect, captions. For this, I used a free video editor called CapCut and clicked on the Auto Captions button. I spent a few minutes editing the captions, and after doing so, I then added the second viral effect, music and sound effects. With that down, my faceless YouTube video was ready. But how exactly did my channel perform in those 45 days? And how exactly did I make $5,000? Well, to explain this, I will now take you into the channel's analytics and show you the final results. So here are the final results for the channel. There are 3 ways I made money: ad revenue, sponsorship revenue, and affiliate marketing revenue. First up, let's talk about the revenue I made from affiliate marketing. Since I was in the AI niche, there was lots of opportunity to promote AI tools, and each time I did, I made sure to add an affiliate link in the description. Most of those links didn't make very much money. However, 2 of the videos on the channel actually went viral. You will see this in a moment when I take you into the channel analytics. For those 2 videos, the affiliate links made a substantial amount of money. Here are the dashboards. As you can see, the first AI tool brought in a total of 7,128 visitors, which in turn led to a profit of $470.25. The second affiliate program from the second viral video brought in a total of 5,400 visitors, which in turn generated to $376.50. This means that affiliate marketing brought in a combined total of $846.75 in the 45 days. What's also great is that this was all passive income, meaning once I uploaded the videos, I didn't have to do any more work. In fact, those links are still bringing in money to this day. Next up, let's talk about the revenue I made from sponsorships. Now, this is by far the most underused method for making money on YouTube. Even for new channels, getting sponsorship deals is much easier than you might think. In fact, all it takes is the right strategy. For my Faceless channel, I started getting emails from sponsors as soon as my first video went viral. However, this was only part of the story. I myself also sent out emails to sponsors asking them if they were interested in working together on a video. Here is an example of one of the emails I sent out. Feel free to steal it. In the end, after sending out around 30 to 40 emails, I ended up getting 4 replies, each of which ended up bringing in money for the channel. In total, 2 of the sponsorship deals were worth $100. 4 were worth $150, and one company that reached out directly to me by email actually offered $300. This meant that sponsorship revenue for the channel generated a combined total of $1,100 in the 45 days, which leaves one last source of income: ad revenue. Now, of course, to bring in ad revenue, I first had to reach the monetization requirements on YouTube. This meant reaching 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now, I know this might sound challenging to do, but in reality, all it takes is one viral video. And in my Faceless channel, this was exactly what happened. Here are the analytics for the videos on my channel. I've highlighted the views and watch time specifically, so you can see how each video contributed to the 4,000 watch hours target needed to reach the YouTube Partner Program. The first video I uploaded got around 15 views after the first week, and in the end, it was actually the second video I uploaded that really hit the algorithm. As you can see, this video alone brought in over 3,500 hours of watch time. Of course, keep in mind that at this point, my channel was not yet monetized, so all of the views you are seeing did not bring in any ad revenue. However, after a couple more uploads, my channel finally became eligible for monetization. To help you guys understand better, I will now show you the RPM for each video so you can see how much I made per 1,000 views. As you can see, since I chose the money making using AI niche in step 1, the average RPM on the channel was really high. In total, the ad revenue from the channel generated $3,147.32. This meant that overall, over 45 days, the channel generated a total of $5,094.07. But what if I told you that the same can be done using YouTube Shorts as well? If you're interested, I recommend you check out this video where I outline how I made $5,000 in 5 days from AI-generated YouTube Shorts. It's the perfect video to partner this one, so make sure to check it out.